Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Z-Pro 125. This bike is in great condition with the really cool Monster Energy graphics package. Only 97 miles on this gorgeous Z-Pro. Make your mini motorcycle dreams come true with this cool Z-Pro 125. Price to sell just $29.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Save hundreds over the price of new. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.